Make your dreams reality in 2024. Make 2024 the greatest year of your life. A Buddhist story. The year 2024 has begun. This year is the time for new resolutions, new hopes, and turning our dreams into reality. Through this story, we will take you on a journey inspired by the teachings and guidance of Buddha. This story will show us how we can make our lives meaningful and happy. Start. In a small village, nestled in the lap of the Himalayas, lived a young man named Arav. Arav wanted to do something big in his life, but he did not know where to start. His mind was always entangled in his dreams and desires, but he could not see the path to reach his goal, the path of awakening. One day, while Arav was sitting by a quiet pond in the village, he heard that a famous Buddhist monk, Tenzin, was visiting the village. Tenzin had changed people's lives with his wisdom and compassion. Arav decided that he would go and meet Tenzin and seek his guidance. Arrival of Tenzin. Tenzin was welcomed with great pomp in the village. People were eager to listen to his teachings. Arav also joined the crowd and started listening to Tenzin attentively. Tenzin said in his sermon, "If you really want to turn your dreams into reality, you have to find peace and balance within yourself." Traveling with Tenzin. After the discourse, Arav decided to meet Tenzin in person. He asked Tenzin, "Guruji, I want to make my life meaningful, but I don't know where to start. Please guide me." Tenzin smiled and said, "Dear Arav, the road to success is through self-knowledge and self-discipline. If you really want to change your life, you must understand the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path of Buddhism." Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path. Tenzin tells Arav about the Four Noble Truths. Truth of grief, dukkha. Grief and dissatisfaction are inevitable in life. The truth about the cause of suffering, samadaya. The cause of suffering is desire and attachment. The truth of the cessation of suffering, nirodha. Suffering can be ended. The truth, way, of the path to the cessation of suffering. The cessation of suffering is possible by following the Eightfold Path. The Eightfold Path includes right view, seeing the truth in the right way, right intention, to have the right intention, right speech, speaking the truth and the right thing, samyak karma, right action, doing the right action, right livelihood, adopting the right livelihood, right effort, making the right effort, right mindfulness, being mindful in the right way, samyak samadhi, right concentration, self-reflection and discipline. Tenzin explained to Arav the importance of self-reflection and self-discipline. He said, "If you calm your mind and control your thoughts, you will be able to achieve your goal. Through meditation and practice, you will be able to recognize the power within you." Meditation and sadhana. Arav started following Tenzin's teachings. He started meditating and practicing daily. Slowly, he started getting peace and clarity in his mind. He noticed that the desires and dissatisfactions within him were slowly diminishing. He felt that there was a change in his thinking and attitude, confidence and positivity. As Arav's meditation and sadhana deepened, his confidence also grew. He began taking small steps to bring positive changes in his life. He clearly defined his goals and made plans to achieve them. Social service and compassion. Tenzin also told Arav about the importance of compassion and social service. He said, "When you help others and practice compassion, your heart and mind are purified. A life filled with compassion and love is true success." Arav also adopted this teaching of Tenzin in his life. He started working in the field of education, cleanliness, and health in the village. His social service efforts brought positive changes in the village, self-knowledge, and success. The year 2024 became a turning point for Arav. He achieved enlightenment by applying Tenzin's teachings to his life. He discovered that when he calms his mind, meditates, and practices compassion, his life brings unparalleled success and contentment. Ending. In this way, Arav made 2024 the greatest year of his life. He turned his dreams into reality by following the guidance and teachings of Buddha. His story teaches us that through enlightenment, discipline, and compassion we can make our lives meaningful and happy. So friends, on this Buddha Purnima, let us all learn from this inspiring story of Tenzin and Arav. Calm your mind, practice meditation and sadhana, and live a life full of compassion and love. Make this 2024 the greatest year of your life. Thank you.